At E.D.E Estates Farms Limited, we have the blue slate turkeys. The slate, or blue slate, is a breed of domestic turkey known for the slate grey color of its plumage. Lighter birds are sometimes called lavender turkeys. Turkeys of the slate breed may actually be any number of shades, between pure black and white, but only ash-grey birds are eligible for showing under the directive of the American Poultry Association's standard of perfection, into which they admitted as a variety back in 80s. Slate turkeys are listed as critically endangered by the American Livestock Breeds Conservancy and meet the definition of a heritage turkey breed. By breeding critically endangered species, we help conserve and multiply them. That's what makes E.D.E Estates Farms Ltd your one-stop center for unique birds. Thanks for watching. If you are not following us yet, click on the follow button for daily updates about farming tips and unique breeds at our farm. Check us out on YouTube at E.D.E Estate Farm Limited for more lengthy videos. Stay blessed.